And in some more breaking news coming in, government expert panel is convening yet again today. The panel will meet to discuss the vaccine candidate of Bharat Biotech application. Those are the details coming in at this point in time. This is with respect to Bharat Biotech's vaccine application, which will now be considered by the expert panel, which is convening once again today. And those, of course, are the details. This comes on the back of the Oxford vaccine also that has been recommended for emergency approval by the expert panel. Let me in fact go across to Ayushman, who's joining us for more on this. Ayushman, what can you tell us? This is specifically now with regard to Bharat Biotech's application.
Yes, Avni, in fact, for Bharat Biotech, again, the subject expert committee is meeting. The idea behind this is that somewhere the safety data of Bharat Biotech is known. The efficacy is something that will only be known after third phase is concluded. But given the quantum of volunteers that the Bharat Biotech has in its third phase trial, the numbers are 13,000. And somewhere the officials have said, earlier also ICMR had said that by unblinding, the infection can be known and the efficacy can also be determined. So here, the basic idea, the push is for the Bharat Biotech, because somewhere the government sources have told us that Bharat Biotech's safety is known, and also the context of Bharat Biotech is also very much reliable, because it works on the very traditional method of vaccine, which is the inactivated form of virus is there. So this is something which is there on mind, but will the subject expert committee be convinced enough to give the marketing nod for the Bharat Biotech's co-vaccine, given the fact that third phase is still on? That remains to be seen, Avni. For the second day, for second continuous day, the subject expert committee is meeting to discuss the emergency use authorization of Bharat Biotech's co-vaccine.
All right, Ayushman, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you as and when there are more updates on that meeting.